My name is Zuzana. My job is to pick up on any issues that could be happening in the flats. If there are issues in the flats, I'm the first point of contact. I just try to make them feel at home because there's not many issues in here. We're here during the move-in days, so my residence mentors are helping students actually move in. After that, I basically go around chatting to everybody every 2 weeks, talk to them about any updates I've been told to have, any issues that have been happening that they need to know. We try to help with cultural differences. If there is, for example, we do mediation for flats, and we can do that if there's any issues in the flat. That's what's suggested to do as a first point, is get the mentor to talk to, and if there's any way that we can help first. Part of my role is not just support, but also planning my own events. I've been doing, for example, for science fiction lovers, every 2 weeks in the last month and a half, I've been doing movie night. But there's loads of different things you can do. And because I'm a foreigner myself and I've gone through the learning curve, I know what it's like to be in a foreign country. Every single evening we have somebody here in this common room. We have board games that our managers provided that you can borrow, and you get to find loads of different people from all over the world. If anybody has any issues, they can just come to us. So I think that's why it's very welcoming, because you know you're never alone.